that thing, we'll refer to ourselves as we. And even me, when I speak to the minister, I may end up saying we.
So we includes the minister, I would have thought. If you write to someone, or if you say to someone, we have this, or we should do that, you're saying that person and yourself are the we.
No, not in this one.
So this was not...
If the message talks about democracy and after 30 years, we means the people of South Africa, means the public.
So this is like the royal we.
Yeah, no, yes.
You're speaking on behalf of the whole South African nation.
No, whoever who has this particular interest that someone is being acquitted after being sentenced to life, those that see this as an achievement.
But why would you write to the minister about this?
The minister, irrespective of for which department, even if this was in relation to minerals, I would write to the Minister of Minerals. If it was about sports, we will write to the Minister of Sports.
On his personal Signal account?
On any platform where you are able to find him.
Then you say...